How to level up your mobile photography and videography game. You can buy a better phone like iPhone 12 Pro Max, or you can buy a set of lenses, which are the external lenses, for instance like those from Sirui company, and level up your game in that way. What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On channel, and you're welcome to my tech kitchen. Today I have two sets of lenses from Sirui company. Yeah, it's said Sirui, but it's pronounced like Sirui. And basically those are the lenses for your smartphones. Let's start off with a smaller package. This is the Sirui 3 lenses kit, the macro lens, the fisheye lens, and 18mm ultra wide lens. Also we have here the special mount. It simply snaps onto your phone, for instance onto my iPhone 8. Yeah, it's not the best one, but it has only one camera right here, and basically it's kind of, improving my photography game a lot with this phone. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a wide angle camera. It's 13mm, not an 18, but still you can use this lens on the main camera. Only the main camera can be used with those lenses basically. And also here in the kit we have the zipper pouch, some cleaning cloth, also the Bluetooth remote start-stop or just to take a picture, shutter release button. So the case itself is pretty nicely built. It has a special carabiner and these lenses are protected. You also have one more protective cover, and all of the lenses have small little, mount protector and the front cover protector like so. So let's try to mount one of those lenses onto the phone. So guys, we took off the cover of the lens and of the lens mount, then we take this mounting, snapping thing, and we simply kind of line the small portions of the lens, and then we twist it and it's locked in. Then we put it onto the phone like so, and we have a look like from above to level it up, to line the camera itself and the lens. So let me record a small portion. So you're welcome to my tech kitchen, guys. Here is it, here is it, here it is. My tech kitchen, my A camera, my B camera, my C camera, my lighting, my laptop, my everything, and myself. This is the fisheye. Also, I gave this lens to my girlfriend. She was in Sochi, the Olympics in Sochi, and she made one shot with it. So here's the shot and some other shots from me, from Moscow, from Kremlin, and from my backyard. Here it is. Pay attention how wide it is compared to the regular lens of iPhone 8. It's much wider and it's a lot of fun to use. Now let's put on a macro lens. It's a pretty fun lens to use, so let's put this on, line it up. And as you can see right now, this lens doesn't focus at all, only the macro capabilities. So let's see this Sirui logo, this fisheye lens like so, or the keyboard. You see the control button right here. Yep. So it's a fun lens to use. Here are some more samples of this lens, and it's much closer than using the regular mode, the regular camera. It doesn't allow you to get as close as this macro lens can. And now guys, I'm recording this on the 18mm lens, which is a wide angle lens. Oh, my microphone. It's not as wide as the 13mm ultra wide on the iPhone 12s, but as you can see like this, it's getting much wider if I use this lens instead of a regular iPhone 8 normal 28, if I'm not mistaken, or 26mm lens. What? Now about the disadvantages and advantages of this kit. It's a very nice kit, the build quality of all of the lenses is pretty good, they are made out of aluminum I guess, or metal. The mounting point mechanism is also a very strong one, the bag is pretty sturdy, but actually I won't be carrying it around with the bag. I guess I just put those lenses out and throw it into some soft bag so it takes less space in my backpack, but I did enjoy using those lenses. And if you use a telephone, smartphone, an old telephone, you know, and if you're using a smartphone with only one camera and you don't want to buy a better, newer one for much more cash, you can actually pay around $120, $130 for this kit, and you'll be able to use a macro lens, a fisheye lens, and a low distortion wide angle lens on your regular iPhone XR, iPhone 8, smartphones from Android and all that stuff. So in my opinion it's a great choice if you don't want to pay extra, and if you can get around using the the clamp to mount the lenses and to swap the lenses all the way around. So I like this kit. And here is a little surprise. Sirui 400mm for your smartphone. Well, 400 mils on the smartphone sounds like crazy. So this kit has the tripod, the mini tripod, and the ball head, because without it you simply can't normally use this lens because it just requires some stable surface. Also you get this mount. It has 2 points of rotation and you can basically mount it to any phone of any size, and a very nice mount. And the lens itself, it is with the cover on both sides, and you have to manually focus this lens. So it's, as you can see probably, it goes one side and the other side. The picture quality is not that great, you have a lot of chromatic aberrations, the lack of sharpness, and overall it's more of a fun lens to use than any kind of professional, definitely not a professional lens. So let's try to mount it. So guys, here it is. The lens is pretty big and heavy, it looks like a telescope actually, and you can see how I was shooting the main clock of Russia with my original lens and with this 400mm lens. Of course this lens cannot focus in this room because it's not that close focus and distance lens, but you can play around with it in a bigger space, like out of the window like I did here, trying to catch a plane like I did here, or just have some fun. The quality is not that great, the price is around $150, which is a lot, but you can basically put into this bigger case every single lens and the lens mount inside of this case into here, and carry around only this bigger case with all of 3 lenses from this one, this bigger one, this mounting point, the clamp, and all that stuff. Yeah, it has the mini tripod, the ball head, the great mounting mechanism, but overall I don't see myself using this combination at all. Sirui is making a big step forward. 400mm on a phone is a great choice, but it's not for me actually. So please guys, share your thoughts in the comment section below if you do enjoy using your lenses for your smartphones. Also there is a moment case for the lenses, so basically your mounting point, your mount is on the phone, on the case itself, and you don't have to use the mounting mechanism or the clamp. And share your thoughts in the comment section below, as I said, and if you did like the content on my channel, please smash the like and subscribe buttons as I say in my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And by the way, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Take care guys, bye.